Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the Qinux WaterBlitz pressure washer. You've probably seen the ads claiming it can boost your garden hose's pressure by up to 15 times without electricity. Sounds impressive, right? But does it live up to the hype? Upon testing, the WaterBlitz is essentially a nozzle attachment that connects to your standard garden hose. While it does focus the water stream, the increase in pressure is marginal at best. The claim of a 15x boost is, frankly, an exaggeration. It's important to note that without a powered pump, significant pressure increases are physically implausible. Moreover, the product is marketed at a premium price, yet identical models are available on platforms like Amazon for a fraction of the cost. This raises concerns about the value proposition of the WaterBlitz. Customer feedback has been mixed. Some users report minor improvements in cleaning efficiency, suitable for light tasks, like rinsing off patio furniture. However, many express disappointment, citing underwhelming performance and questionable durability. In conclusion, while the Qinux WaterBlitz pressure washer isn't an outright scam, it doesn't deliver the transformative results its marketing suggests. If you're considering purchasing it, be aware of its limitations and manage your expectations accordingly.